Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kamitech and in the third class of Adobe Illustrator beginner training. My name is Kamran Ayman. So guys, today we are going to talk about the second tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is direct selection tool. In the last class we have talked about the selection tool, its some properties and some other things about this tool, and now it's time to talk about the direct selection tool. What is direct selection tool? Direct selection tool is basically the same arrow like selection tool but without tail and with white color. This tool allows the user to select the single points and some parts of a specific shape, and with the help of this tool you can add some points in specific shape, you can subtract some parts of a shape, and with the help of this tool you can reshape your object and you can create some amazing things with the help of this tool. So guys, today I'll show you how you can create a mark or tick icon with the help of direct selection tool. So guys, let's come on the screen to know the practical explanation of this tool. So guys, now we have come on the screen and I have already opened this software, and we are going to take a new file from here. From file, left click on new and press OK. Now we have taken a new file or document or a blank page, and this is your canvas. This is your canvas, as I have already told you that this is your canvas. Now I have highlighted it, and we are going to take a rectangle tool, a box from here. This is a box from where you can take a rectangle tool, and from here you can click here and then click and drag as per according to your requirements. We have created this box. Now we are going to change its colors, as I have already tell you that how you can change the colors of this box. Select it, go to fill, and from here you can select any color which you like or according to your requirements. I'm gonna to take black color or whatever the color you like. I have taken red color and its stroke is of black color. This is the stroke or border line of this shape, and today I'll explain here how you can create a tick or mark icon with the help of direct selection tool. So this is direct selection tool, and the shortcut key of direct selection tool is written with it. Simply press A, then now you can see the direct selection tool in front of you. You can select with the help of this tool a single point. You can select a single point with the help of this tool. Now I have selected this single point with the help of direct selection tool. Let's see it. First I will take selection tool, I press V. Now I have selected the whole shape, and now I can't reshape this shape, this object, with the help of selection tool, and when I try to reshape it, then it does not work. This tool uses to resize an object or a shape with the help of this selection tool. But on the other hand, with the help of direct selection tool, we can't resize the shape, but we can reshape a subject or object on our canvas. I have taken direct selection tool and I have selected the single point, and I just drag it, and now I have changed the shape. Now you can reshape this with the help of direct selection tool, like this one, like this one. With the help of direct selection tool, as I have told you that you can select a single point of a shape, but with selection tool we can't do such things. If you have done something wrong, you think that you should again redo it, then simply press Ctrl Z. Now we have come on the previous place from where we started. So now we are going to create a mark or tick icon with the help of direct selection tool. Simply I press A, and our direct selection tool is active now. And first we will take selection tool, and we want to make it little in size and bring it in center of the canvas. When you will bring your cursor at the corner of this shape, then you will be able to rotate it. If you want to rotate it with specific ratio, then you can press shift key, and then you will be able to rotate it with specific ratio. Exactly, I have pressed shift and rotate it 45 degree and release. Now we have rotate our shape and we are going to create a mark or tick icon with the help of direct selection tool. Again press A and select this point. Now if you press the down and up arrows from your keyboard, then you can, now I have pressed down key, now it's coming down, and when I will press up key then it will go upward, and if I press right it will move towards right, and if I press left then it will move towards left. Again I press Ctrl Z to undo all these things. So guys, now we are going to create a tick or mark icon with the help of this direct selection tool. So select this single point and then drag it down. Now simply with the help of direct selection tool we have created tick or mark icon. So we have to correct it with the help of this tool, and we will drag it towards right, and now it will be perfect. Again we can rotate it little more because it looks. So now we have created this icon. We can remove its border or stroke. Press stroke and then none. Now we have removed its stroke or border. We can change its color to green. Now it's not working because we have selected stroke. Now we have selected fill color, and now we can change its color red to green. So it looks amazing. We can change its direction and whatever we want to change. Little adjustment you can do. Now it's perfect. You can change its size according to your requirements. Press shift key and then drag it towards right or left and bring it at the center of this canvas. Again I'm going to take another shape and then we will reshape that object. Press right and we are going to take a star from here. Click and drag. Now you have created this star and we are going to reshape it. Press A and then you can reshape this star with the help of this direct selection tool. And as I have mentioned that you can't do such things with the help of selection tool, and with the help of direct selection tool you can do all these things easily. Now I have selected this point and I can change its place, I can change its size. Now you can see that I have changed its shape. Press A, select this point and then drag it according to your requirements. And if you think that it's not good or it's not according to your expectations, then again you can undo this. Press Ctrl Z. Now you have come on the place from where you started. Again press A and then select it. Now you can see that there are some circles at the starting and ending points. If you drag any of the circle, then you can change the whole shape. Its corners will be rounded shape. You can bring it outside and inside as per your requirements. We are going to take another shape. Now we are going to take an ellipse tool, press and drag. Now it looks oval, and if you press shift then it will be a complete circle. We are going to take another color for it. Now we have taken red color, and from here you can delete a single point with the help of this direct selection tool. Press A and then select this single point and press delete button. Now you have deleted this single point with the help of direct selection tool. I'm going to select another point and I'll delete it. Now you can see that I have deleted these points with the help of direct selection tool, and with the help of selection tool you can't do any such thing. That's why we need direct selection tool. We are going to take another shape, like we are going to take a polygon. We are going to take a polygon from here. Click and drag. Now you have created this polygon. You can reshape it with the help of direct selection tool. Press any of point, you can delete it If you want to come at the place from where you started, then press Ctrl Z to undo the action that you have done. Now what you can do, there are many other things that you can do with the help of direct selection tool. If you want to change the shape of this polygon, then press Ctrl A, press A. Now direct selection tool is active. Select this point and drag into its inside. What an amazing! This kind of arrow you can see that at the corner of the roads while driving. You can see that such kind of arrows you can create in Adobe Illustrator with the help of direct selection tool. And there are some other properties I would like to tell you that how you can use these properties. Press right from here, and this is undo rotate, and its shortcut key is Ctrl Z, as I have already told you that. For redo, you can press redo option, and its shortcut key is Ctrl Shift Z. Isolate selected path, we are not going to discuss this because it's not of your level, because when you will be expert, then you will be able to understand the concept of isolate selected path. We will just know there are some other important things about this tool. You can select if you have more than one, or if you have more than one objects or shapes, then you can use this option. And now we have one shape, we can't use this option. Arrange, this is another option that you can use if you have more than one shapes. And now we are going to understand the concept of transform. Transform means you can change the directions and sides of a shape from transform. And we will understand two main things: how you can rotate or reflect like a mirror. You can transform your shape in Adobe Illustrator. Press transform, and there are some other properties, and from here you can press reflect. It will ask some questions to you. First, it said that do you want to reflect it horizontal or vertical or angular, and it will preview the results that you will get. When you will check it, then it will show, and when you will uncheck it, it will not show in front of you. Now I have checked, and press OK. If I undo reflect, then you can see the previous subject, and Control press right from your mouse and redo reflect. Now you have reflected. Again, I'm gonna to place it at the bottom of this canvas, and this is another thing, circle, star. All these things I have placed on my canvas in symmetrical way. So guys, in this class we have studied the direct selection tool, its some properties, and there are some other important things that we have understood in this class. So guys, in the next class we will understand some other important things, and then we will create some other shapes that we can do with the help of direct selection tool. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned many things from this video. So guys, if you have learned anything from my videos, then make sure to subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos, and very soon we will meet again with the third lesson of Adobe Illustrator. So take care yourself and others. Have a nice day.